Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide your email address on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide your email address on Facebook, go to your Facebook and go to Facebook profile. Here in profile, click on About tab, then click on Contact and Basic Info. Here you will find email address and you will find an icon here. It's public. By default, public is selected. Click on public here and now select only me and then click on save. Look, you will find a lock icon here. That means email address will be hidden from everyone except you. This is the easiest way to hide email address on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.